Did you know that 95% of people never build real wealth? The shocking part isn't how much they earn, it's the hidden trap they're stuck in. Most people think they're moving toward financial freedom, stopping them. And they don't even
People work harder every year, collect paycheck after paycheck, yet somehow their savings barely grow. Why does this happen?
Making more money doesn't automatically make you wealthy. If every extra dollar disappears into expenses, your financial future never changes. Every raise gives you two choices: upgrade your lifestyle or upgrade your future. One decision can completely change your financial. Wealthy people buy assets that grow over time. Most people buy things that lose value the moment they pay for them. The biggest investing mistake isn't choosing the wrong investment. It's waiting forever because you're too afraid to start. Time is your greatest financial superpower. The earlier you start investing, the harder your money begins working for you. Money without a plan disappears. But when every dollar has a purpose, building wealth becomes much easier. Escaping the trap isn't about getting lucky. It's about building simple habits that create wealth for the rest of your life. You don't need thousands of dollars to start building wealth. Small investments made consistently can grow into something much bigger.
Building wealth isn't about one big moment. It's about taking small financial steps every single month without giving up.
Bad debt quietly steals your future income. The sooner you eliminate it, the faster your money starts working for you instead. Saving is important, but increasing your income makes wealth building much faster. Learn valuable skills that continue paying you for. Successful investors don't spend what's left after saving. They invest first and spend whatever remains. This is compound growth. At first it looks slow, but eventually your money starts growing much faster than your own contributions. Your mindset shapes every financial decision when you start thinking about long-term freedom instead of short-term pleasure. The best time to start building wealth was years ago. The second best time is today. Your future depends on the decision you make right now.
Most people will never escape the financial trap, but you don't have to be one of them. Every smart decision moves you closer to the top 5%.
If you learned something valuable today, hit like, subscribe to Clean Money Guide, and turn on notifications. Your journey starts with one smart decision, and